What's going on, Ian, and welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Mav, bringing you back to 2K. This time we gonna play 2K22. 2K22. This time around, instead of having all-time rosters, because there are all-time teams on here, I decided to take 10 teams from 2 different divisions, one from each conference, and put 5 to 7 legends from their historic and all-time teams on the current plaster of the team. And I'm playing with the Timberwolves, and in their division is the Jazz, the Thunder, the Trailblazers, the Nuggets, and OKC. So that's the Northwest Division, and the Eastern Division is going to be the Central Division, which is the Bucks, the Bulls, the Cavs, the Pistons, the Pacers. So I put 5 to 7 legends on each 10 of those teams, so that way they all have a fair shot of being in the playoffs. Because if I did put all the all-time teams, all the souped-up teams in this league, the Timberwolves would not make the playoffs. I'm telling you right now. So I simmed through the whole regular season. Now I'm in the playoffs, and we got to go up against Phoenix round 1. Let's do it to it. And we're playing on my 23rd birthday. So yeah, let's go ahead and play. So yeah, the 5 legends I got on this team are Andrew Wiggins, Kevin Love, Wally Szczerbiak, Sam Cassell, Kevin Garnett, and Latrell Sprewell. Alright, that's 6. My bad, that's 6. So let's go ahead and get started. Shout out Rachel Dominic. Alrighty. Chris Paul and Devin Booker are both 91s. Alright, here we go. I like to run Anthony Edwards at the 2 and have Sprewell start at the 3, and just have him come off the bench, because you're gonna need a 6th man. Alright, Wiggins come off the bench too. Alright, let's run this. Alrighty, here we go.
What a great game of our setting this evening.
61-21. Phoenix got in with a 40-42 record? Wow. They must have played really hard to get that play-in spot. Look at my boy KG, the MVP. Let's go. Alright, let's get it started.
Paul and Booker, the talented backcourt. Crowder and Ayton, the bigs. And it's Bridges in at the 3. And for Minnesota, taking a look at Minnesota, they had a great season.
Alright, so we got a solid matchup here. I'll make defensive adjustments as we go, depending on how hot these guys get. Alright. Ooh, that was a nice between the legs pass that Kevin Garnett just did just now. I do not like this Easter thing on the scoreboard. Like, take this off. Okay, that was a bad shot. But this is a better shot. And DeAndre Ayton just fouled my man Cat. Dang. So y'all just stood there and let him just do that? Anywho. You averaging 14 a game doing all of that? He's not paying attention. Ant-Man. Let's go. Ooh, I almost stole that, bro.
Pass to Booker. The kick out to Paul.
Oh my goodness.
Paul's got his second basket of the game.
I'll keep letting him in the paint, man. You can't let him do that.
Game at his size, so important to have in your arsenal.
Here's Sprewell.
Step up, bro. Oh crap, he stepped up. He stepped up.
Three-point range.
He was leaving me space. I had to try.
To the paint. Booker.
Freak.
Nice
Okay, D-Brook, okay.
Game is Paul understands where to put the ball and when. Nicely done.
I got hacked, but they don't want to call it. I could have outran him by turning on the Jets if I wanted to.
Start giving up high percentage looks. That doesn't typically end well.
Yeah. I defended that pretty good. Ooh, dunk it! Yeah! Spree with the mad jam.
Man, he's got that Delker's mind
Ugh.
spending, always ready to pounce. The Suns have gone 3 of 4 to get things going.
Trying to set a pick for
The
him.
first, just under 2.5 minutes played so far. Ayton passes to
Don't
Paul.
pass it to Bridges, bro. I would have been mad as hell if that got in.
He'll take 2 from the free throw line.
He can't miss. He don't get them both.
On and off the floor for such a long period of time. I love his intellect, his work habits, everything he represents.
And the Suns making a change here. Johnson's checked in.
Screen, screen.
Edwards against
Dunk.
Booker.
That was a one-on-one. That was a one-on-one play. Get it? Because the numbers. Okay, let me stop.
Paul passes to Bridges. Now Johnson.
Cam Johnson is playing.
Ayton in the high post.
They got his hair wrong.
6 on the shot clock. Pass to Booker.
I'm about to say, I'm supposed to switch.
Now Minnesota takes it the other way.
With it, Cassell. That's why I'm floppy.
3 left to play in the
That's why I'm floppy.
Here's Cassell. Booker defending.
Big Towns. Ah, crap. I let it go too early. That's okay.
Here's Sprewell.
Spree.
For Bridges.
Ugh.
Line jumper, no good.
Ugly.
Now that's a blown defensive coverage, but it doesn't matter. He cannot answer the bell.
Paul passes to
No, don't shoot.
outside for Booker.
I'm glad he didn't shoot.
A minute 22 left in the opening quarter.
Wow, he just took it in against my big man. I'm salty.
For two-guard, Booker is a legitimate.
He averaging 30? Damn. Okay. Dunk.
Down.
Because Paul can't guard Cat. Come on, man.
Share the rock. He does this time and time again.
And here are the Suns now. Trail by 1.
I'm going to try to get Garnett some points after this time out here. Garnett's the only starter that hasn't scored yet.
I think Coach sees something here.
Well, this is adjustment. Getting ahead a few moves and trying to execute toward that.
And the Suns will go for
Landry Shamet is in the game now.
Checks in for DeAndre Ayton.
Bro, I didn't mean to do that.
Bridges. Holiday's checked in for Booker. And Payne is subbed in for Chris Paul.
You don't want to stop.
I gotta watch him.
I'm not quite sure what he was thinking.
I gotta watch Landry, man. He got a torch.
Pass to Sharon. Fires from deep.
Oh, my bad. I wasn't even paying attention. I got distracted on who number 4 was. Who's number 4?
Lead changes in a bunch of
Who is he? Is that Torrey Craig?
Here's Cassell.
It was Sam I am.
He was fouled. And he's going to the line for one.
See, what I did was I flicked the stick back so I can shoot away from the big man. How did you miss a 90% free throw?
They've gotten 5 and 7.
Ow! Ow!
Against Payne. Driving to the basket.
I should have reached.
He's in.
I should have reached.
29
Flop it.
in the first.
Ooh,
Here's Cassell. Pass to Towns.
Big Towns. Ugh, cat.
Intelligent basketball.
We needed a 3, so I had to do that.
Outside Payne.
He's off.
Oh, got it off in time.
There was no way he was gonna make that on me. No way. There's no way.
In the first quarter, Timberwolves ahead. They lead by 3, and we'll be back shortly for the start of. And he's always been a coach on.
And now some motivational words from Chris Paul.
Business, work, relationships, whatever, it's communication. I think that's something that we're doing an amazing job of right now. Communicating, talking through things, and making sure, even when it gets tough, that we continue to communicate.
And CP3 never shy, bro.
Never shy indeed. Always holding himself and his teammates accountable.
And time for us to get back into it here in game 1.
Should not be dribbling.
What do you think about the offensive approach we've seen so far for the Timberwolves?
Okay.
Some great drives to the bucket for them tonight.
I think the other thing
I don't know if that's Drew or Justin Holiday.
their baskets have come
Man, how did he?
Defensively, you can't afford
He had a screen. That's what it was.
You know exactly.
Is that Drew or Justin Holiday? Who is that? Aaron Holiday. Okay.
It takes energy, it takes activity, it takes intensity.
And so, in the game for Phoenix, they've got Landry Shamet.
Green. I'm gonna put my bench in.
trading the lead back and forth. Neither side is willing to back down.
And right now you love the chess match, right? The ability
No more picks for him.
just to what the other is doing.
Shot by Holiday, no good.
While we love his ability to attack the rim, he just loses a little bit of focus and misses the chippy.
Oh, that was bad. Okay. I thought I had an easy lane. Yeah, you better not shoot.
Going inside. Oh, and Johnson slams it in.
Oh, what ferocity on the throwdown. I just
Alright, this Suns team is pretty dangerous.
Where was the D?
We expected this uphill battle. But don't worry, we're gonna pull it out.
And give him credit for taking advantage in a close game. Those are the types of plays that can swing things
The bench
in your
guys
direction.
put in some work. Now D'Lo here is a little bit of a cheat code here. Watch how fast he is. Ah, Cam came over with the help. Ooh, that was almost backcourt.
Love against Sharge. Pass to Beverly.
Vando.
Over a minute and a half into
Well,
the second quarter. Vanderbilt. And
let's go. Vando.
Yeah, Patrick Beverly made
Jared
it
Vanderbilt.
easy for his teammate to score.
For Phoenix, they've got 2 of 3 shots.
One of the most underrated defenders in the league.
Outside.
Glad he's on the Timberwolves, man.
And here's Johnson.
Couldn't imagine a better team for him to be on. He's off. No way he's making that trash.
Minnesota's gone 3 of 5 from the perimeter in this game.
Take a roll, K-Love?
And it's
What?
missing.
Oh my goodness, K-Love.
Outside Payne.
Wow.
Finish the layup.
if the defender is giving him that
All right, that's it. We play call.
are inevitable.
Outside Russell. Pass to Wiggins.
Rando. D'Lo.
High post.
Let's go.
Gets the friendly roll as that one goes.
Well, this is a main strength of D'Angelo Russell. When he gets room to shoot from the mid-range, there's no hesitation.
Phoenix calls.
And they need a timeout.
And the Suns will go for a different look here. DeAndre Ayton, he's checked in for Sharge. Bridges comes in for Johnson. Booker, he's checked in for Shaman. And it's Paul in for Payne. Paul finds Ayton. Russell against Paul.
Man, that was a good pass. I ain't even going to front
The
you.
assist for Paul.
Wait, did Jay Crowder have a star under his name? I got to look at his back again. There's no way he should have a star under his name. Like, absolutely no way.
Outside Russell.
D'Lo. D'Lo. Let's go.
No resistance defensively. He's going to knock down the three. It's really that simple, guys.
Out to the wing. gets 8. Pass to Crowder.
Yeah, no 3.
Back to 8. Ball against Russell.
What do you mean? I can't actually play ball.
Shot is off.
All right. That was great defense on that possession there.
6 from three-point range thus far. It's Wiggins on the wing.
Ooh, I could have shot that, but he would have closed out on me.
Covered by Crowder. Outside Russell.
Come here, come here. D'Lo again. Green. Let's go. Too much space.
Timberwolves lead.
This defense is getting spaced out. 3 of the last 5 buckets have come.
That's because those 2 for 3-pointers with Landry. That's why y'all got 100%. Damn, Vando, how he break you like that? He don't got handles like that. Dang, he should have stayed in for the ball. I mean, I don't get how that wasn't intercepted though, because Kevin Love was right in front of dude.
Russell against 8. Here's Vanderbilt.
Your 3-pointers are a D. I'm not shooting with you. If it were Jaden McDaniels, then I'd probably have a shot.
Pass to Russell.
Yeah, Brown Sugar.
With the jam.
This to me is an improving aspect of D'Angelo Russell.
Pat and A&W haven't scored yet.
Nicely done.
Trip.
Ball against Russell.
Following you.
Ball passes to Bridges.
I jumped too early. Okay. Rebound.
Close range.
All right.
So it's Minnesota.
Okay, we got a 5-point lead. Not 5 point, 7-point lead. I can't be too mad. I cannot be too mad. But you know, we just got to do better on defense. Our offense is flowing just fine. Oh, Monty Williams is on
What have you seen so far?
Break down that defense. You got to recognize personnel giving up a few open shots the guys we're talking about. We'll be better as we go forward. We got to get out and run, but our defense will help us run more.
It all starts on D. Thanks, Coach.
Thank you, Allie. Good stuff. We will be right back after this break for the beginning of the 3rd quarter.
And now, the 2K Sports Halftime Show.
Alright, this halftime thing takes a while to get over. Don't worry, I'm going to edit all of this out.
Looking at Minnesota, they put themselves in decent shape to grab that all-important Game 1 victory. So far, they've clearly been the better team, controlling the flow. By no means is it a runaway, but they've put themselves in a great position. And Shaq, what do you think about what we saw from Minnesota?
The way they're shooting different beats is going to be hard to beat. This team has a lot of confidence and lets it fly without hesitation.
Hey, they couldn't stop D'Lo, man.
And Kenny, your take on Phoenix?
Energy on D, good consistency. They were slow to rotate.
Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining 2K Sports and our coverage of this first round. You got to like what we're seeing from D'Angelo Russell.
All right, 3rd quarter.
Tonight is a big game, and you have to be impressed with the way he's come out firing.
You get the sense when the
Yeah, there's no way he was making that. There's no way.
this guy
Lave.
take part. You expect that this is a trend that will continue here.
Wally World.
Easily the 2.
Let's go.
Torian Prince is out there with Kevin Love. So that's the Timberwolves 5.
When Russell gets his teammates involved, it makes this entire team better, and it'll make him more effective at the point position.
Pass to 8.
Good steal, K-Love.
Yeah,
K-Love.
Love. Brown
Let's
Sugar.
go, K-Love.
Well, this is the era of big men who can shoot the three. In fact, if you're Kevin Love, to adapt and make the game more modern.
Yeah, I'm watching McCall.
Here's Paul.
Damn, he got by you, K-Love. You can't do nothing about that.
Paul's got 8 points.
That's precisely what they got to do right now. Attack the rim.
Take a fade.
If you get fouled, maybe you earn a trip to the line out of it.
Back to Russell.
Let me dance with him. Let me dance with you. Let me dance with you. Oh, Caleb, that was you, bro.
Ayton uses his length to his advantage. No
All right,
doubt.
Malik Threesley is in now.
Ball against Russell. Beasley outside.
Come here. Threesley. Ugh, let's go.
Time called here.
Malik Threesley. I know his last name Beasley, but we call him Threesley just for that. Malik Threesley.
Some changes for Phoenix. Saric checks in for Crowder. Johnson comes in for Bridges. And Payne is subbed in for Chris Paul.
Ooh, I almost had that stolen.
To Johnson.
Ooh, get it, D-Lo. Ah, D-Lo.
Payne against Russell. Payne drives.
No, way to block that. Way to block it again. How does he keep getting it, though?
And sends it back. What a block.
I'm in his grill.
For three.
Yeah, there's no way he was going to make that.
Minnesota's gotten all three from downtown so far in the second half. Russell.
Pull that Threesley. Let's go. He wasn't paying attention. His head was that way.
Got 3 assists now in this one.
Malik Threesley.
Now here's Saric. Not a lot of room. Back to Booker. Here's
That's
Ayton.
off. No way.
Rebound by the tip.
He ain't a shooter like that.
Beasley with it. Picked up by
Beasley, heat check. You got it.
They need something good to happen.
His style is three-point shot creator, so
Booker finds
I had to give that a shot. No pun intended there.
back to Johnson.
This dude Cam Johnson getting everything on the drive. He's trash. That boy trash.
And the Suns making a change here. Holiday is checked in.
Okay, he made them both. I tried to jinx him, guys. I
All
tried
6 of
to.
their shots to fall. Talk about a perfect start to the half.
D-Lo!
Hey, it's 6.
I knew some contact was coming. That's why I had to adjust my shot in midair.
The shooting has been fantastic, and this team has leaned on it.
Here's Booker.
Damn it. Couldn't stop him. I thought he was going to stop and shoot. That's why I switched over to the shooting guard.
By Booker.
See if I can block him.
He's driving and finishing at the
Come here. Take advantage, Torian.
Back to Russell. Right side Love. Pass to Zerbiak.
Wally World, too much space. That's what you get for sagging off, Devin. That's what you get for sagging off, Devin. No,
From the line.
absolutely not.
Nice rebound. Trying to match the other team's intensity right now.
Threesley. Threesley.
He's got 12 now in this quarter.
Here in the second half,
Oh, he got bronze volume shooter. Okay, let's get it.
Boy, when you're hitting, it sure does work. It obviously opens up major options of the
All about to say that's Dario Saric. Don't let him shoot.
He laid it in.
He made that?
Touch off the window. Payne's got his second basket on the night.
At his size, Dario Saric can see the floor and he knows how to put it on time and on target.
Torian.
Here's Prince.
Let's go.
Falls. Nice assist by Russell. Russell's got 4 assists now tonight.
another shot right in the leg.
Everybody getting some.
Been their MO this evening.
D-Book won't take Beasley one-on-one. Okay.
Beasley. Outside Payne.
He had a pick. Still didn't make it.
As we conclude the third.
He had a pick on me and still didn't make it.
Timberwolves ahead, running away with it. And fourth quarter basketball will be coming your way on 2K Sports right after this.
Yeah, if you're gonna play as the Timberwolves, use D-Lo in the screen and roll game. He is immaculate at that.
And this opportunity to show you our State Farm assist to the game.
Okay, who got assist of the game? It's probably me.
Because I love this pass. A remarkable find. He put his court vision on full.
Yeah, that was a nice dime.
Making the game easy for your teammates. All about putting them.
All right, I'm gonna put my starters in.
That's pretty.
See if I can get Malik Beasley another tray.
Great to have you with us again as we return to our coverage of round one. On the court for the Suns, getting the fourth quarter going.
Great.
Bridges and Crowder holding down the forward spot.
Another one.
Chris
I need more
Paul out
space.
there with Aaron Holiday and it's Saric in
Oh,
at
that's
the
off.
line. Hoping he paid.
No, that's not.
Shot goes in. Beasley's got 14 points now in the second half.
Let me get Beasley
Yeah, I
another
like
tray.
that recognition. He knows he's in rhythm, knows this is a
Ooh.
time to get his
Why did I?
punch.
How did I not catch that?
Paul. Down low.
Damn, Kevin, he was supposed to be over there, but he's lucky he's trash because he missed it. Oh, that's off.
They get it back.
Try again.
On the wing.
Another one. Threes lead.
Now this quarter.
They've had a hard time shutting down the three-point shot.
Here's Holiday.
Good defense, Beasley.
Bob's got 4 rebounds now.
Get him one more. Heat check. Oh, good board.
Outside for Russell.
Alright, I gotta chill out. Threesley. I'm gonna give Threesley a sit down.
Both teams will make
Alright, let everybody else get some. Garnett has no stats.
Here's Cassell.
I'm trying to get him the ball. It's like every time I get it to him.
Here's Garnett.
Oh, see that? Every time I get it to him, something bad happens. It's like they know.
The baseline James. And good.
Freaking Landry Shamet, bro. Anyway, this game's pretty much over though. I'm just stat padding at this point. Like I'm trying to get Garnett involved somewhere.
Guarded by Peyton. Pass to Garnett.
Garnett mid range, can't make
No
it.
good. For Phoenix, they've gotten just one shot
No.
to fall out of 3 attempts in the fourth.
I'm about to say, is that Bismack? Yeah, get that out of here. Not on Towns, bro. You're not that good, Bismack. You're not good. You're just not good. Ooh, that was mine.
2 minutes gone in the fourth.
Is that Elfrid Payton? Oh my God.
Biombo inside. Towns on it. And there's the shot clock violation.
Beautiful.
Get the shot off in time. And now let's revisit that exceptional
Big blocks.
mobile one block.
You know that block hasn't been his teammates all
All right, man.
That is what playoff basketball is all about.
Nope.
It's Edwards on the wing. He's covered by Holiday. Towns double team.
Uh-oh. Double team.
Left to the wing.
That's okay, because Spree is open. Don't leave Spree open.
Just shoot as many threes as possible. This kind of confidence is impressive to see.
Give me that. Uh-huh.
Pass to Biombo.
Yeah.
One fall. So
We
Minnesota.
gotta get Garnett open, bro.
And Elfrid Payton is
Thank you for the foul.
That's his first foul.
Yeah, I think he's letting his emotions get the better of him on that foul.
Inside.
Let's go, Garnett. All right. Whew, he's finally on the board.
Well, now we're speaking Kevin Garnett's language, one of the great mid-range shooting bigs in NBA.
My starters weren't even the stars of the game, bro.
Just about 3 minutes through the fourth in the final quarter here.
All right, I'm gonna just lie down Landry over here. Let him get no space. I know he got a tray ball.
Outside Craig.
Bro, don't tell me Craig all that space. What are you doing?
Here's Shamet.
Too much deep.
Rebound by the Timberwolves.
Oh, Garnett running point. Oh, Garnett running point. Oh, Garnett calling the play.
Well, if you're just tuning in, welcome. We played about 3.5 minutes.
Big Towns for 3. Puts it in. Big Towns.
It shows up in the box score.
Well, what I love is the energy they're bringing right now. They're ignoring the scoreboard and
It looks like they want to play 1v1.
Game 1 win for the Timberwolves.
And everything seemed to go their way.
I'm watching
today.
Landry.
They were firing on all cylinders, Graham.
Yeah, BA, this was the kind
He gonna make it.
Try! Just a very impressive win.
Yeah, if Craig's open, he's knocking that down though.
With how they got this series started tonight. A nice 1-0 lead.
The key now is to carry the same energy forward.
Ooh, I can call shoot. Oh, that's off. No, that's not.
Huge performance it was for D'Angelo Russell.
Boy, forget about
Like I said, I'm just stat padding at this point. It's not even. I know the game's over. I just want my fans to get the tacos. No. Great context.
Another missed shot.
Well, it's a case where a guy's trying to make a play, trying to take it up strong, but the defense was ready.
Woo! Going up from three! Oh, okay, that was an inside the arc. Okay. I'm like, how was I able to green that from 3 though? Yeah, man, that was inside the arc. You know, Garnett had a mid-range torch today. I think his mid-range has to be like a 99 something.
There's a 4-second difference from the shot
Because
clock.
like this is prime Garnett, MVP Garnett. Nope.
Has to be on low.
Great D, great D, great D.
Minnesota with the rebound.
I would dribble it out, but you know me. I'm a little greedy when it comes for more points. That was a great play setup. They cut by Sam I Am.
What an impressive performance to say the
Oh, I didn't even give y'all the player of the game. It probably was Malik Beasley or D'Lo. I'm gonna give it to D'Lo though.
A lot of pressure off the team, but they get the win.
What a punishing blowout. Well, I guarantee you there'll be more closer games. It's just that this team is not souped up, you know. They was giving us hell like during the first half though. They was giving us hell. Let's see what else we got. Threesley, 5 of 7 from downtown. Yeah, man. Everybody scored except for Wiggins and Beverly. They're the only ones that didn't score. And these guys didn't shoot enough. Probably because we were locked. We hit 16 trays on this team. Wow. What's Garnett's mid though before I sign off? What's Garnett's mid? Close. 96, so we went up. Okay, so it's close shots to 99. Mid is 96. Okay. Well, that does it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you guys soon for some more 2K22 playoff runs. Till then, take care, y'all. Deuces.